Okay, everyone, Anthony G 1289 here, and I am replacing the battery on my Triumph Bonneville 2007 T100 Bonneville. I replaced the battery already with the Duralast Gold ETX12 size. I also bought an updated battery maintainer that comes with these pigtails I'm going to install with my battery so I don't have to take the seat off anymore. Let's get it in the shot. Can I get it in the shot? Here we are. Negative, positive, and the plug. So I can just let this hang outside my seat and I can just plug the battery maintainer right in to my battery when I'm not riding it for a few days. So here we go. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, the batteries come when you buy a new battery. It should come with the new hardware. See if I get this in the shot. It's a screw. There we go. You want to install the positive terminal first, leave the negative for last. That way if you touch something that you shouldn't, the battery is not grounded and you won't melt the battery or you won't start a fire. Snug it down. There you go. You hear my dog Zoe in the house, knowing that her owner, her dad, is out here. She hates it when I'm outside and she's not. Get all this put away neatly. Get the other screw. See the screw? Okay. The negative, the pigtail, and the negative that connects it to the fuses. Snug it down. Now these gold batteries, the AGM, they come fully charged, so my bike should start. Let's find out. Got my key. Should have that ready. Choke, fuel. Okay, let's see. Here we go. That's it. That's how you change your battery on your Triumph Bonneville.